So, welcome to the second semifinals. East Coast Open Lockdown Hoopers versus Islands. The home team. Number 1. Number 15. Good, 2 points for number 50. For you. Number 34. Number 34. 10 to shoot. 23. No good. Rebound. Robin. Number 5. Good. 2 points. Robin. Seesaw. Number 34. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound. Number 6 Islas. 20 tumatakbo. 20. Pinasa. Ball intercepted. Number 34. Number 23. John. Short ang kanyang layup. No good. Rebound ball ng Trinidad. Number 43 ball. Number 23. Number 23. Kuha 15. Rebound Islas. Number 1. Shooter 3. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Lockdown Hoopers. Number 34. No good. Number 5. Pinasa kay number 1. Leading out. 5. Goals at number 9. 2 shots for Marcus Palisi. First shot no good for Palisi. So,
number 34. Pass to 13. Goodbye. Wala. Still by number 23. Wala. No good. Hello. Mag-isip. Teka lang daw. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 9. 3 points. Yes! 3 points. Number 9. Ball, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Outside. Red ball. Snacks daw, sabi ni Mandy. Wala raw snacks dito. 34. Dribbling the ball. Drive. Foul. Rovic, number 5. 2 shots. Unang buslo, pasok. Pangalawang buslo, pasok pa rin. Marcus. Pass to J-Boy, pass the ball. Wala ang bola. Pass to J-Boy, J-Boy to the right. Wala. Rebound by number 23. 23, laban ng bola. Pass to Jerome, 3-point. Pasok! Tira. Jerome. Marcus, pinasa kay J-Boy. Pinasa kay Paul. Paul to make. Tumira, pasok. 2 points. Paul to. Paul to. Number 34, pass to number 13. Number 13, nag-isip. Pass to number 9. To make. To press again. Pasok again! 3 points! By Jerome Francisco. Same ball, White. J-Boy, side step. Pass to Marcus. Marcus, 3 points. Pass up. 3 points by Marcus. Marcus. 34, nagkatala ng bola. 34, pass to number 13. Pass to Jerome again. Jerome, pass to 23. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Jason, pass to Marcus. Marcus, nag-grab na ng bola. Marcus, take it. Marcus, pass to Jason. No look pass. Pass to J-Boy. J-Boy, pull up. Wala. Save by ball. Marcus, tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 13. Number 23 to make. Crossover. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by J-Boy. Pass to Marcus. Balik kay J-Boy. J-Boy. Nagpaplano. Ang yung pass. Paul Q. Make. Lina. Pasok. Ang tira ni Paul Q. The point guard. Paul Q. Number 94. Pass to Jerome. To make. Layup, wala. Offensive rebound, balik kay Jerome. Jerome, traveling. Substitution.
Ang ginanto.
Pomoste, Lumea, pasok, favorite shot by point guard Paul. Number 34. 34. Agad ng bola. Foul, number 1. Side ball. 34 pass to number 11, back to 34. 34 to right. Crossover, wala. Nice pass to number 23. Wala. Rebound by Paul. Paul to Marcus. Marcus. Pass to Paul. Paul may pinaplano. Paul. Paul to Romy. Rebound by Jason, foul. Sa baba rin, no? 2 shots. Foul number 34. Substitution ref. 0 in. 6 out. 2 in. Marcus. Out. Bad pass. dribbling the ball. Number 34. Pass to 11. Pass to 0. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Jason. Jason the team. Team to Rovic. Rovic. Begin at 3. Wala. Rebound again by team. Rovic. To AJ. AJ to Paul. Post. Last touch by Paul. Red ball. Substitution. Jason out. Penny in. 23. Pull up. 10 foot. Wala. Rebound by Angelo. Angelo to ball to Rovic. Rovic nagmamadali. Rovic tumatake. Side step. Pass to team. Team pass to ball. Tayo lang daw. ISO. Pass to Rovic. Rovic. Pass to team. Mina. Foul! Who's foul? Number 34. No good. Foul number 5. Substitution. Marcus in. Team out. Number 1, pass to 23. Pass to number 0. 0 pull up, 20, pass up. Sokpa. Marcus, hook shot, no good. Rebound by AJ. AJ, pull up, no good. 23 umatake. Zero, wala ang bola. AJ umapak. Pass Rovic. Rovic, layup, pasok. Score on 16. Time remaining. Angelo, pass to AJ, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Angelo. Pass number 23. Ten seconds to shoot. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Marcus. Marcos umatake, layup, wala. Rebound by Angelo, nice shot by Angelo. 2 points. Score natin 18-16 in favor of Islas. Time remaining 4 minutes, 35 seconds. 23, scoring to play. 23, pass to number 1, pass to 23. Umatake. Pasok. AJ. Pasok. Time remaining 4 minutes, 9 seconds. Jerome tumira na naman ang 3. Wala. Angelo to Marcus. Marcus Robin. Robin kumatake again. Robin nawala ang bola. Pass number 23. 23. Easy layup. Pasok. On na po tayo. 20-20. Ang time natin, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Marcus, pass to Robin. Robin. Mag-isip, pass to AJ. AJ. Mira, wala. Kung by AJ again, wala. Nagdadala ng bola. Kalma. Pass to 13, kaya pasok. Labang na po ang lockdown. AJ pass to Robin, 3 points. Wala. 23, long pass number 13. Rebound by Angelo. Angelo to Robin. Robin kumatake. Delvin, pasok! Pasok na! On po tayo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Two points by number 23. Lockdown 24 is last 23. 3 points by Marcus. Thirteen tumira ng dress. Wala. Substitution rep. Sino yung nakapaul? Angelo, pass to Marcus. Marcus. Pass to Jebo, pass to Paul. Layup, pasok. "42 seconds left. Nasa first quarter, parang po tayo, first half. 23, ball on screen. Steal. Marcus. $18 seconds left. 12, 11 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jason, nakaharap ng papasahan. Good pass by number 23. Halis na po ang rebound. Number 23, pass to 34. Kaya, pasok. by John. John tumatakbo. Wala. Rebound by Robin. Robin to Marcus. Still again by John. Wow. John pass to number 13. Layup, foul. Robin, foul. Two shots. Two personal foul. Robin. Okay lang daw. Importante niya ang laban. Unang gusto, pasok. Pass to number 13. 13, pass to 23. 23, remain. Pass to number 13 to 34. To right, side step, layup, pass to Marcus to Robin. Robin, umatake. Still by number 23. 23 to number 34. Pagdadala ng bola. Number 34. Oh, steal by AJ. AJ na walang ampon. Traveling. Sayap. Nagdadala ng bola. 34 pass to number 13. Number 13. John. Pwede na ng 3. Number 20. Pass to Robbie. Robbie. Good shot. Robbie. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. 23. Wala ang bola. Pass to John. To Jerome. Jerome, nagkakal ng play. Jerome, pass to John Tamon. John Tamon. Foul by Grayson. Foul number 6. Substitution. Pangalawang puslo. Tapasok na yan. Wala pa yun. Rebound by number 13. 13 Jerome. Tamon. John. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 13. 3 points. Rebound by Marcus. Marcus to Robbie. Robbie kumatake. Na follow up by Jeboy. Pasok. 2 points. Last discuss. Score po natin 31-35 in favor of Lockdown. Time remaining 15 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 13, Tamon, back 13. Jerome, tuloy na naman ang press. Wala. Medyo naubos na yun. AJ to Robbie. Nice team. Jerome, nagpapadali. Matakbo. Ball. Science. Science naman. Throwing. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to AJ, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Jeboy? Wala. Rebound by number 23. Dito number 24, matakin. Pasok. Seconds. Dadala ng bola. Dapat kaya pag-ibig ni AJ. Wala ang bola. Nice team. Jeboy umatake. All the way. Pasok. 23. Okay. Pull up. Pasok. Pass to Paul, on you. Travis. Number 34. Pass number 23. Bata ka naman. Pass to James. God, James. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Pasok! And one. By number 13. Time remaining 12 minutes, 10 seconds. Pasok ang free throw. By number 13. Number 13. Pass to John. John. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 13. Wala. Rebound by Jeboy. Jeboy. Dadala ng bola. Pass to Marcus. Pasok. Tres ba yun? Tres. Now. Iba talaga. Momentum killer si Marcus. Time remaining 11 minutes. 34 umatake, side step. Pass to number 13 to 23. Layup, no good. Rebound again. Layup, no good. Jeboy umatake. Jeboy. Pass to Marcus. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 13 to 34, 34. Butata, ball cue. Umingin po ang laban. John, back pass, Lovin. Lovin, layup, wala. Rebound by Jerome. Third pass number 23, poste, 23, pull up, wala. Rebound by Jeboy. Jeboy to AJ, AJ to press, wala. 34, dadala ng bola. 34, 23. Time remaining 9 minutes, 45 seconds. Number 23, kinokontrol ang bola. 10 to shoot. Sabi ng ref. Steal by AJ. How many seconds left? 4 seconds. 4 to shoot. 34. Pumulap. Wala. White ball. Pas ke J-Boy. J-Boy. Layup. Wala. Jerome nagkakaroon ng bola. Kaya sa kahit number 34. Diaz. Pass to John. John. Jerome. 3 points. No good. Robic. Ma-attacker. Robic. AJ. Ma-attacker. Wala. Marcus. Wala. Number 34. Steal by J-Boy. Basket, and 1. Substitution. Who's fouled the ref? 34. Talaga ng mga referee natin. Bonus shot. Substitution. May isa pa ba? Okay. Jason E. Robic out. Bonus shot. Pasok at tira. Time remaining 7 minutes. Score po natin 45-38 in favor of Latvia. Number 34. Matake sa gitna, pinasa sa number 0. Wala. Rebound by Paul Q. AJ. Matake. Layup. Wala. That's counted. Sabi ni ref dyan. Counted yun. 2 points. Okay, score po natin 45-41 in favor of Lucknow. John to number 23. 23 Tumira. Wala. Save by number 34 to Trinidad. Trinidad to John. John to make. Pass to number 13. Diaz. Tumira na 3. Pasok! 3 points by Diaz. J-Boy. J-Boy, matake. Wala ang bola. Pinasa na AJ. Tines. Pasok! Tawin! Rebounds by AJ. Number 24, pass to Trinidad. Trinidad nag-isip. Nag-isip. Time to shoot. 23 to 30 na wala ang bola. To 34. 34. Number. Rebound by Paul Q. Marcus. Marcus to AJ. Jason. Wala ang bola. Number 34. Diaz. Sakit lang daw. Oras natin 4 minutes 52 seconds. Foul! Counter! Who's fouled left? Number 6 foul. Oras 4 minutes 46 seconds. Substitution. Jason out, Robin in. Bonus shot. Wala. Rebound by J-Boy. J-Boy. J-Boy to Marcus. Pasok po. 3 points. Number 4. Diaz. Pass number 23. Number 23, come to shoot. Ay, nawala ang bola, sayang. Ganun. Jeboy, matang sa gitna. Tinatang kay Marcus, nawala ang bola. Steal by number 23, 23 to 34. 34, Dumayang, pasok. Tira, number 34. Marcus, gagawin ng bola. Marcus, pass to Jeboy. Jeboy, foul by Jeboy. Ref. Let's the referee decide. Let the referee decide. Meeting mula, meeting.
Ano yung pagkain? Pamit. Ha? Curious na sa si Ryan. Papunta na? Talo anak niya. Oh yeah. Lock yun na.
Shoutout po kay Jimboy Kagahanan.
Talo nga.
Relax na relax. Jimboy, magtrabaho ka daw.
Agi na may suntuan kanina.
Kailangan tulong ni Lawrence.
Agi na may suntuan kanina.
Okay, they call it unsportsmanship foul.
Kaya kami dyan. Hard.
Nabuslo.
Pumasok na.
One more shot and then 0 to 34. 34. Passing to Jerome to the press. Jerome pass to Robbie. To the press. Pasok na rin. Palitan mo ng press dito. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Steal by AJ. Pasok ang tira, number 30. Time out! Last is last. Number 1, 3 points by AJ. Light ball. Red ball. Time remaining 3 minutes 10 seconds. Walo lang po ang lamak. 50-58 in favor of lockdown. Trinidad, Lano. Pass to number 9. Steal by Robbie. Wala ang bola, pass to number 34. Foul. Number 6. Substitution. All cue in Jason out. Score po natin 58-50 in favor of lockdown. Time remaining 2 minutes 37 seconds. Number 1-3. Pass to number 34. 34 pull up. No view. Rebound again by number 34. To 23. 23 to number 0. 0. Pass to 13. Good shot. No good. Last touch by Jerome. That's his last ball. Time remaining 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Marcus sumatakyan. Marcus tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Tatanong ng bola. Number 23, pass to number 34. 34 to Trinidad. Trinidad. Pinataas ang bola. Trinidad, Jerome. Number 0. Layup. Wala bola. Rebound by Jepoy. Jepoy, tumatakit. Jepoy. Layup, pasok. Kinaliwa pa. Time remaining 1 minute 29 seconds. Jerome to 34. Diaz. Number 13. Diaz to Trinidad. 13. 0. Wala. Last touch. White ball. 1 minute remaining. Robic. Okay. Pass to Bonju. Kumake. Pasok ang tira. Bonju. Score po natin 54-58. 49 seconds. Nakapatid. Foul by Jepoy. Last is last. Warning for penalty. 34 to number 23. Number 23. Gisep. 23 to Jerome. Jerome to number 0. 23. 24. Jepoy, sabi ng bola. 20 seconds left. Wala po ang bola. 16 seconds left. Diaz to number 13. Foul by Robic. Time remaining 14 seconds. Penalty na po. Penalty. Score natin 58-54 in favor of knockdown. 14 minutes, 14 seconds, sorry. Makakatabi. Unang buslo. Pasok. Knockout daw, sabi ng ref. Wrong position. Knockout daw yung isa. So, 54-58 pa rin. Second free throw. Pasok. Time out! Last is last. May deal pa? Jepoy to Bonju. To Marcus, tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Panalo po, knockdown.